There are some important fundamental things that you should do before you get started in baking. You'll often not see this mentioned in recipe books or in YouTube videos, but they're absolutely essential. First of all, you need to get your workstation prepared. Now you are making food that others are going to eat, or even if it's just yourself, so you want to have strict hygiene. Make sure that your food preparation area is clean. Wipe it down, clean it down, look at your equipment, make sure that they are clean, and if they are not, clean it. It seems so obvious, but cleanliness is absolutely essential. You don't want anyone getting sick from eating your cake. The next, gather everything that you need. There is a term called mise en place. It's a French word, but basically it means everything in its place. Basically, what that means is that you get yourself prepared so that once you start baking, you're not faffing around trying to find stuff. So get all your equipment ready and put them in the place. So that's my wire rack. I'm going to use it right at the end. So I'm putting it in a corner away from my workstation. I've got my mixer, my tools. I'm looking at the cake recipe. So I'm reading it so that I know exactly what steps I need. I'm looking at the ingredients, making sure that I have every single ingredient that I need, because there's nothing worse than halfway through prepping your cake batter, you find out that you don't have a key ingredient or you don't have enough of it. If you get out all your ingredients before you start, then you make sure that you have all the ingredients and also they're all in the right place for you to easily access it. This is so important because it just makes the whole process more streamlined, more orderly, and you are less likely to make mistakes when you follow these steps. Look at your ingredients, make sure that they are at the right temperature. So, for example, if you have forgotten to take your butter out and you need room temperature butter, then you know you're not going to be able to start baking just right then. You'll have to either wait for the butter to thaw out or you can do some extra steps to make it come to room temperature. But again, you're making sure that you are actually prepared and ready to go. If there's some missing tools, like, I needed those balls, so I'm getting it out right at the start, not halfway through. And then once you've got everything together, put everything in the place, put your mixer in one place, put your balls in one place, put your ingredients in one place, and make sure that you have some resemblance of structure before you start baking. Uh, get your cake pans, line your cake pans. All of this is so crucial and important. Before you bake next time, make sure that you do this and you will set yourself for success. Now, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Mimi Cake's channel for more cake videos like this that will take you from a beginner baker to a pro baker. Subscribe and I will see you on my next video.